हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ग्लोबल एकेडमी। आज हम एमसीक्यूज ऑन जनरल नॉलेज ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पार्ट 7 हम डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें हम नियर अबाउट 100 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ये हमारा इस सीरीज़ का सेकंड लास्ट पार्ट रहेगा। तो इससे पहले हमने 6 पार्ट ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, जिसमें हमने 560 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए हुए हैं। तो आज हम 660 क्वेश्चंस तक डिस्कस करेंगे। ये हमारा सेकंड पार्ट होगा। तो इसके बाद विद इन 1 और 2 डेज हम इसका लास्ट पार्ट यानी पार्ट 8 भी बहुत जल्दी लेके आएंगे। और उसके बाद हमारा जो है कंप्यूटर का थोड़ा सा रहता है पोर्शन, उसके एमसीक्यूज जो है कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे। तो विद इन वीक या 3 to 4 डेज के अंदर अंदर मैं कोशिश करूँगा पीडीएफ वगैरह तब तक बन जाएंगी, तैयार हो जाएगी। हमारी टीम बना रही है, उस पर काम कर रही है। तो उसके बाद आपको पीडीएफ वगैरह दे दी जाएंगी। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। Where can we find the earliest source of Kashmir? Raj Tirangani. Who constructed the famous Bhimgarh Fort in Riyasi? Maharaja Rishipal Rana. The famous hill resort Patnitop has its name derived from Patan da Talab meaning pond of princess. On which date state of J&K came into existence? It came into existence on 6th March 1846. According to traditions, Kashmir take its name from Saga Kashyap. Next, according to historians, Kashmir Valley was originally known by which of the names? Kashyam, Kashyapmar. Bahu Fort has a nearby shrine of goddess Kali, also known as Bawali Mata, who was the first woman sovereign of Kashmir who ruled for nearly 15 years. Yasovati. The government of Sheikh Abdullah was dismissed by Karan Singh in 1953. Who were Chaks? They were Dards. Where is it mentioned that Kashmir was originally a lake? Nila Mata Purana. Who is the writer of Raj Tirangani? Kalhana. Kalhana is the writer of Raj Tirangani. In which year Princess of Wales College, now GGM Science College, was established? It was established in 1905. The name of Afghan ruler who issued the coin in the name of Sheikh Nuruddin Rishi was Atta Muhammad Khan. The treaty, also known as the Sale Deed of Kashmir, was Treaty of Amritsar. Who imposed Grahkritya and Begar? Shankaravarman. The famous tomb of Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani is situated in which district? It is situated in Badgaon district. Shahi Hamdan Shrine was constructed by Sultan Sikandar in the memory of Mir Sayyid Ali Hamdani. Who was the author of book Raj Darshani? Ganesh Das Vadera. Who was the author of the book Gulabnama? Diwan Kriparam. By whom Jambulochan was succeeded? Puran Karam. During which period Mughals ruled Kashmir? 1586 to 1753. Shahi Hamdan is popularly known as Khankahe Maula. Who was the first Sufi entered in Kashmir? Sayyid Sharifuddin. According to Kalhana, who was the first king of Kashmir? Gonanda. Where is Dandi Fort located? It is located in Rajouri. When did Maharaja Ranjit Singh invaded Kashmir? In 1814 or 1815 AD. Who was the founder of Jammu city, Jambulochan? Which place is popularly known as the Vinais of East, Srinagar? Who was the founder of Karkota dynasty? Durlabh Vardhana. Which Kashmiri school of Shivism was founded by Vishnu Gupta? Spandas Sastra. In which district Gulmarg is located? It's located in Baramulla. What was the period of Dogra rule in J&K? 1846 to 1947. Who was the last Hindu ruler of Kashmir? Udyan Dev. Who was the founder of Gupta dynasty? Parva Gupta. Lalitaditya was the ruler of which dynasty? Karkota dynasty. Charari Sharif is popularly known as Hadar Sheikh. The shrine is built to commemorate Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani, a Sufi saint also known as Nandrish. Who built the Panchavatra temple in the Kanak Mandi area of Jammu city? Maldev. Which is the first mosque ever built in Srinagar? Khankahi Shahi Hamdan. Kalhana, a famous historian of Kashmir, lived during the reign of Jayasimha. In which century Chinese traveler Huan Tasang visited Kashmir? 7th century AD. Temur sent which gift to Sultan Sikandar? Elephant. Which ruler introduced Dogri script? Raja Shakti Karan. Pyong Monastery in Ladakh is also known as Gompa Monastery. Under whose reign serious uprisings took place in Gilgit? Maharaja Gulab Singh. By which Chinese traveler Ladakh was first described? Fahiyan. Shimla Agreement was signed on 3rd July 1972. Which period was known as darkest period in the history of Kashmir? Pathan. Which king established Hemis Monastery in Leh? Sangi Nampar Gayalwa. Which place is known as Mural Art? Zanskar. King Avanti Varman belonged to which dynasty? Utpala dynasty. When was the Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan? It was signed in 19 September 1960. 19 September 1960, and it was signed between the then Prime Minister Nehru and Ayub Khan. Ayub Khan, the then President of Pakistan. It was signed in 1960. The name of first mosque built in Kashmir is Bud Masjid. Next, which section deals for rights of women and children? Section 21st, Right of Children. And Section 22, Rights of Women. Which part of Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? Part 4. Which part of Constitution deals with permanent residents? Part 3. Next question. How many sections are there in Part 4, Directive Principles of the Constitution? Section 11 to 25 are covered in Part 4. Which temple was early known as Gopadri? Shankaracharya Temple. The word Khanka refers to a wooden structure. Which ruler built an outer wall of the fort Hari Parbat and planned a new capital called Nagar Nagor to build within the wall? Mughal Akbar in 1590. Mughal Emperor Akbar, he built the fort Hari Parbat and planned a new capital called Nagar Nagor to build within the wall. तो ये कौन थे? मुगल एम्परर अकबर, और इन्हें बनाए थे 1590 में. What was the period of Sikh rule in Kashmir? 1819 to 1846, 17 years. Who was the first Afghan governor of Kashmir? Abdullah Khan. During the reign of which king Sati was prohibited? Sultan Sikandar. Next, when was J&K Constituent Assembly was constituted? It was constituted on September 1951. The Constitution of J&K was adopted on 17 November 1956. When did the Constitution of J&K comes into force? It came to force on 26 January 1957. Chairman of Drafting Committee of J&K Constituent Assembly was Shri Girdhari Lal Dogra. When did J&K acceded with India? 26 October 1947. How many parts are there in the Constitution of J&K? There are 13 parts. Which section of J&K deals with the fundamental rights? Section 10. Which part of J&K Constitution describes its relationship with India? Part 2. Which section deals with the rights to compulsory and free education? Section 20. Which ruler assumes the title of Sultan Shamsuddin Shah Mir? When did Mughal rule ended in Kashmir? Before 1857. When did Maharaja Ranjit Singh died? In 1839. Due to which of the following reason is the southwest monsoon rain bearing winds? They blow over warm Indian Ocean and gather moisture. C part. Next, which of the following prevents the southwest monsoon winds from escaping from India? The Himalayas. The word monsoon is derived from a word which literally means which of the following seasons. Next, in which month the transition season changes the hot rainy season to dry winter seasons? October to November. The term monsoon is originated from Arabic. Kal Baisakhi is associated with Bengal. The peninsular part of India experiences peak summer earlier than northern India because due to northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shifts northward. Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh coasts are frequented by cyclones because low pressure conditions in the northwest India lead to the creation of depression over the Andaman Sea. Mega showers occur in which of the following group of two states, Karnataka and Kerala? Which is the coldest place in India? Dras. Which area is not an area of low precipitation? Assam. In winter, the western cyclonic disturbances originate from which sea? Mediterranean Sea. Which one of the following states suffers from Lu? Gujarat. Who was the first Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Meher Chand, who was considered to be the first Kashmiri historian. Who was considered to be the first Kashmiri historian? Kalhana. ये अलहदा से क्वेश्चन है यहाँ से. Which famous personality made the primary education compulsory in J&K? Raja Hari Singh. Who is considered to be the first Kashmiri historian? Kalhana. Which famous personality made the primary education compulsory in the J&K? Hari Singh. Who was known as the architect of modern Kashmir because of his constructive work in state? Bakshi Ghulam Muhammad. Who was the first Sadr Riyasat of Jammu and Kashmir? Dr. Karan Singh. Which eminent personality of J&K was awarded Saraswati Samman 2015 for her autobiography Chit Chitte? Padma Sachdev. Who is the first Kashmiri writer awarded with Gyani Path Award, India's first literary award? Rahman Rahi. Who is considered to be the father of Dogri by bringing the language on the national stage? Ramnath Shastri. Who was the first Chief Minister of J&K? G.M. Sadiq. Who is the first Kashmiri writer awarded with Gyani Path Award, India's highest literary award? Rahman Rahi. Who is considered to be the father of Dogri by bringing the language on the national stage? Ramnath Shastri. कुछ questions repeat हो गए हैं. Who was awarded the Padma Shri and Sahitya Academy's prestigious award 2011 for Dogri translation of famous Urdu novel Do Gaz Zameen? Dr. Jitendra Udhampuri. Who was the first Kashmiri poet to write blank verses? Dinanath Nadim. Who was known as Lal Sahab? Swami Lakshman Jo. What is the full form of JKSPDCL? Jammu and Kashmir State Power Development Corporation Limited. तो ये थे पार्ट 7 के आज के तमाम क्वेश्चंस MCQs ऑन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जनरल नॉलेज. तो ओके, थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. बहुत जल्दी मैं इसका लास्ट पार्ट भी लेके आऊँगा जिसमें हम लगभग 150 क्वेश्चंस में लेके आऊँगा. ओके, थैंक्स एंड एज ऑलवेज गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.